what you're going to need for the decoupage of these seashells are your baking Irish shells. I got these on Amazon. Any color or style napkin that you want. I'm going to go with the seashore look. Scissors and some nice soft paintbrushes. Make sure they're soft and not really the hard kind. And last, your decoupage glue. You can use Mod Podge. I like the DecoArt, and I prefer to use the gloss so I don't have to glaze it afterwards. Okay, and let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is separate your napkins. Most napkins are 3-ply, so you have to take the first 2 plain plies off, because all you want really is the colored portion for your from your napkin to the shell. And you're going to cut it right down the middle. And you might have to fool with it a little bit, but it should come right off. Okay, that's the first one. I want the second one too. Come on, there we go. Yay. Nice and easy. See? No rips, no tears, looks good. And we'll do the second one. Go ahead and shake up your decoupage. Let me see how much of that came out. Okay. Pour some in a little cup. Hopefully we don't have any lumps in this one. It's been sitting for a little bit. So what you're going to do is get some of your decoupage glue, and we're going to coat a nice layer, not too thick, but definitely not thin, on the shell. Okay, got the napkin on there, and you really don't have a whole lot of time to work with it, and I don't want the brush to get glue on it, so I usually get a piece of cellophane and I will lay that right on top, and it helps to maneuver it without the brush getting wet. Get your dry brush and start right in the middle. And work the brush into those grooves. And just kind of go around the middle there. If you get a wrinkle, don't sweat it, because the oven's going to take them out. Just kind of work in the same motion that the shell is going. Get up a little closer there so you can see. Now I can actually lift it up very gently. Perfect. Oh, wow, that worked out great. Okay, she looks good. Take the cellophane off carefully and go down. That's garbage. Now, hold it from the bottom. Shoot. Try not to touch it if you can. Now what I do, actually we're going to use a little bit of this glue again. And you're going to just go around the sides like this. Some people bake it with all that excess paper on it already. And, you know, to each his own. Everybody has their own different way, but I like to have it off before. It just works better for me. If you find that it doesn't, then you just do whichever you want to do. It's just easier. Then I don't have as much to file when it comes out. And you'll have your oven at 175, and you're going to bake this for 10 minutes. See exactly what I mean. See how the paper's starting to come off with it already wet from the glue? And that's perfect. That's what you want. You don't want to pull, you want it to fall off on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then we're going to put it in the oven. And they're out of the oven, and they look beautiful. I took the liberty of doing a couple of sand dollars to match. Thought it would make a really cool set. Look how gorgeous. And they shine because you have